Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. You've got plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some great accessories such as a bug deflector, a hefty steel bumper with a light bar and some light cubes installed in the front, deployable running boards down below that come down when you open the doors, heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and then a hefty steel rear bumper with some light cubes as well. So you do have some excellent accessories on this truck. And now looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three with some nice seat covers as well. And in the center you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more right here, and some fitted Husky liner floor mats throughout the vehicle as well. And these seats can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And now looking in the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and heated driver's seat actually. This button there controls that. So now sitting in the truck with it running, which has actually been converted to a push start if that interests you. And looking at the kilometers, you can see it has 135,246 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons. And then here you can actually cycle through some information such as your engine hours, some of your vehicle information, tire pressures. Let's just try to get back to where we were. Oh, here you can look at your odometer, your trip odometer, your fuel range, your fuel economy, your speedo, your timer, transmission temperature, and your fuel economy. But then moving on to your center, where you have a nice Aftermarket Kenwood Deck that has potential for Bluetooth, radio, auxiliary, has plenty of options actually. Disc mirroring, so phone mirroring, HDMI, AV, USB, all of this stuff. It even has a backup camera hooked up to it, as you can see, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Can also be hooked up with a park assist sensor, and here you can even look at some information such as a compass and your tire pressures, which is pretty neat too, and individual gauges. So that's pretty nice. Moving down from that though, you have your climate controls with dual climate, so everyone can stay comfy. And down here you have a USB and a 12-volt power outlet, as well as the switches for things such as your light bars that you have installed, and your deployable running boards can also be manually controlled from here. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls, and to the right you have this cubby. You also have this compartment above your glove box for some more storage. But then moving on to your center, where you have three cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, as you can see. But then this can be folded up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall. But then underneath that, you do also have another locking compartment for some more storage. Those are just some spare parts from some of the modifications. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you are interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.